In this video, I'll use the Python library PyAutoGUI to perform a single right-click at a specific spot on the screen. First, I need to find where I would like to click. PyAutoGUI uses screen coordinates on an X and Y scale to know where to move the mouse. I want to right-click on the desktop over here. To see what coordinates I will use, I'm going to drop in this small helper script to print the current mouse position every quarter of a second while the mouse is moving. I collect the position with the position method of PyAutoGUI. The accept clause is a keyboard interrupt, which I can trigger with the stop button at the top of this notebook. Let's run this script. We can see the numbers changing as I move my mouse around. I want my mouse to click somewhere around here. These coordinates are around 3,500 for X and 600 for Y. There are two ways this can be accomplished easily. The first method is to use the Move To method and then click where you've moved. The second method is to just use the right-click method. Let's start with the first. To the Move To method, you pass the X coordinate first and the Y second. This will cause the mouse to move to the desired location on the screen. You then activate the click by using the click method on the driver. Make sure to pass button equals right to the click method, or else it will be a left click. Executing this, we see the mouse jump to the correct spot and a context menu opens as expected. Let's do the other method. To right-click, just pass the X and Y coordinates. Very nice. It does the same thing with only one line of code. So it's actually really easy to do right-clicking via both methods. Either use the Move To function and click, passing right to the button argument, or use the right-click method and pass the coordinates where you would like the button to be clicked. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments if this was a helpful video. Do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe so you know when the next video drops.